whistling would stop. I 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 whistling would stop. That's it.
Very good. You didn't like the rain?
I do, but Mama.
Uh-huh.
The only thing it would be is I whistling would stop. The only part that.
Why do you want the rain to stop?
So.
Because you got so wet?
No, that is the thing will overflow.
Oh, it's not going to overfill, I promise.
I whistling would stop. I whistling would stop. I whistling would stop.
You wouldn't want to go jump in a muddy puddle?
I would when the rain would stop.
Well, the rain has stopped, my dear. Your song must have worked.
No.
It did.
Didn't.
It did. I hear just the drops dripping out of the trees now. There's no more rain coming down.
No, that is always hot.
Yep, it stopped.
Mama,